Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel Astro Kannadiga in English. Okay, friends, let us come to know about Shubh Yoga today. What is Shubh Yoga? So, Shubh Yoga is nothing but the well-developed Saturn mount. This mount, Saturn mount, well-developed Saturn mount. On that Saturn mount, there is a well-marked, clear a line, a vertical line, which makes the person Shubha Yoga. What is the benefits of this yoga? Means the person who is having this yoga will become famous orator and can be fascinated by public. That means to say the public are that means to say he will get a lot of benefit from the public as well as the relatives and some but particularly he will get lot of benefit from the public and his speech is enchanting and is very adept in getting of art of favor from the people. Means to say he will get the favor from the people. So the one negative thing about this yoga is yes, he will rise in his life. Yes, the person who is having this yoga is getting fame from living away from his birthplace. That is the only negative side of this yoga. Then we shall discuss about the another yoga called Buddhi Yoga. So Buddhi Yoga, where the line is curved like this from Moon Mount to Mercury Mount, and Mercury Mount must be well developed, and there is no break or no chain like structure, and this line should be very clear, not so thick, not so light. It should be middle for that, and if this line is there, this yoga is there, means that person is having a great success in through the business, and he will never lacks of wealth and honor. He is physically very fit, and also he spreads his business to the other countries also. Means to say he will do abroad business as well, and also he will take a quick decisions as well. So he is clever and wise, and also one more thing, he destroys his enemies as well. So this is a very important yoga called Buddhi Yoga. If this yoga is present, means we have to see the setting of the mount as well. The mount should be reddish or pinkish in nature, and that must be positioned in its place only. It should not spread away from it, or it should not very small congested area. It should be very clear, and that mount should be very well colored and also very well shaped as well. If he is having that characteristics, you will going to have the things what I told you from the Buddhi Yoga. And also I told you about Shubh Yoga as well as Buddhi Yoga. By having these two yogas, one can become prosper and he will attain the great success in his life. I hope you like it. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you very much. Have a